Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a circle without a compass. We will explore several clever and easy ways to draw accurate circles using everyday materials you likely already have. You will learn practical methods to create perfectly round shapes for any project, whether it is for art, crafts, or technical drawings. Let's get started with our first technique. Our first method involves just a piece of string and a pencil. First, decide on your circle's radius and cut a string to that exact length. Tie one end of the string to your pencil and secure the other end firmly at the center point of your drawing surface. Now, keeping the string perfectly taut, rotate the pencil around the fixed center to draw a smooth, consistent circle. This works for circles of many sizes. Next, let's use everyday objects as templates. Look around your home for items with perfectly round bases, such as a drinking glass, a roll of tape, a small plate, or even a coin. Simply place your chosen object onto your paper and carefully trace around its outer edge with a pencil. This method is incredibly quick and effective for creating circles of specific, predetermined sizes, from a tiny coin to a large dinner plate. Finally, let's try the two-pencil method. This technique is great for drawing circles directly onto a surface. Place the tip of one pencil firmly at your desired center point. Then, hold a second pencil at the exact distance of your desired radius from the first pencil. Keeping both pencils steady and maintaining that distance, slowly rotate your paper underneath them. This creates a precise circle without needing any string or external objects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.